Hi children, welcome to all of you all. Today we are continuing with our lessons on simple interest. Last time we did simple interest, how to find the interest and also how to find the principal, rate and time regarding the simple interest. Today we want to continue a little more for one more lesson on simple interest, that is an example like this. We'll give an example. Now it's like this. People sometimes now in banks and all that, they give simple interest for 1 year per annum. So always rate is going as per annum. But sometimes people in the who are doing little business, they want urgent money to put in the bank to meet a check. So at that time you can't be going to the bank and then asking for loans and all that, where so much of formalities is there. So what they do, they go to small in the institutions, small banks, and then they can immediately get a loan. Now this loan is, they give mostly for monthly interest. Now banks they give for annual, per annum, rate is per annum, but here they give for monthly interest. We'll take an example. Okay. A person borrows rupees 5,000 for 6 months on a monthly interest rate of 20%, a monthly interest rate of 2%. How much should he pay to settle the full amount? Now here he wants 5,000 rupees very urgently. So immediately, so he can't go to the bank, so he goes to small institution where they give money on interest for monthly interest. So he is taking 5,000 rupees for 6 months at 2%. The rate of 2%. So what is the interest you should pay? Now here it's the same formula we use. What is the formula for simple interest? SI equals PTR over 100. What is P? P is the principal amount of money they have taken, T is the time, R is the rate. So P is equal to here 5,000. T is equal to 6. R is equal to 2. So we just apply the formula. So that is equal to 5,000 into 6 into 2 upon 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0. That is 6 to the 12, 12 now 60. So 600 is the interest. So question is, how much should he pay to settle the full amount? To settle the full amount, he should pay 5,000. So to settle equals 5,000 plus 600, that is equal to 5,600 rupees. So he had to pay rupees 5,600 rupees to settle the amount. Now this is on monthly interest rate. So this is urgently he needs the money, so he can't go to the bank, so he goes to small institutions. So there they give for 6 months, 3 months, 9 months, like that. Maybe to settle small bank, to meet a check in the bank or something like that. So here rate is 2% per month. So same formula we use. So SI is equal to PTR over 100. We substitute the numbers and then the interest comes to 600. So to settle here to pay principal plus interest is equal to 5,600. Now we will take another example. Look at this one. A person borrows rupees 8,000 urgently from a private company which charges an interest of 5% per month. If the interest comes to 3,000 rupees, the interest comes to 3,000 rupees, what is the period of time? So here what you have to do is we have to find the time. Now we studied interest is equal to PTR over 100. So when you cross multiply upon 1, that is equal to PTR equals 100 into I. The T is equal to 100 into I upon PR. So I is equal to 3,000. P is equal to 8,000. R is equal to 5. And we have to find T. So T is equal to, we apply this formula. Now this formula is coming from the main formula. That is I is equal to PTR over 100. So PTR is equal to cross multiplying by 1, PTR is equal to 100i, T is equal to 100i upon PR. So I is equal to 3000, P 8000, R 500. So that is equal to, so T is equal to 100 into 3000 divided by 8000 into 5. That is 100 into interest over principal into rate. So 3 zeros going and 3 zeros going. So 5 times 20, 4 times 2, 4 times 5. So that is equal to 5 3 is 15 upon 2, 7.5. That is 7.5 months. That is 7 months and 15 days. So within 15 days, 7 months and 15 days, he has got this interest amount. We will take another example. Look at this sum. A person pays rupees 13,800 to settle a loan of 12,000 rupees, which he got for 6 months. What is the rate percent? Now he is paying after 6 months 13,800 rupees, and he has borrowed 12,000 rupees. What is it now? We have to find the rate. So he is paying 13,000 rupees full amount means, and he has borrowed 12,000 rupees. So immediately we can easily find the interest. Therefore, interest is equal to 13,800 minus 12,000. That is equal to 1,800. So interest comes to 1,800. So now we have interest equals 1,800. P is equal to 12,000. Time is equal to 6. So we have to find out R. So as in the formula, we have to find R. So as in the earlier formula, R is equal to 100 into I upon P into T. So we apply the formula 100 into I, 1,800 divided by 12,000 into 6. Okay, we will start cancelling. 3 zeros, 2 0 and 1 0. Then 6 times 30. And 6 times 2, 6 times 5. So that is equal to 5 upon 2. That is equal to 2.5%. So this is all for today, children. I hope you have understood the lessons. If you like lesson, please subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you.